RepairNet is a mobility platform of the future, powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, built to make the auto repair service industry more convenient, transparent, and customer-centric. We are enabling consumers to get certified mechanics wherever they are, whenever they want, and save up to 30% out of repair and maintenance costs. Through RepairNet, we are also empowering these hardworking mechanics, helping them to earn a better living, control their ways of life, and of course, do what they love doing best.
So RepairNet is a platform that disrupts the automotive service delivery in the country. We provide a platform that facilitates business for mechanics, spare part shops, and towing truck companies. Our vision is to grow this local company to become a global brand.
RepairNet, we come to you, and of course, a smarter way to repair your car.